Hello everyone and welcome back to another science video. On today's video we are continuing Unit 6 Lesson 11, and for today's lessons we are going to do a 2-day exploration activity with seeds. For our first day we are going to be doing a lima bean experiment using some simple things that you might have at home. Here on this picture we see a lima bean with the paper towel inside a Ziploc bag. For today's lesson, we are going to recreate this experiment and see if our lima bean is going to be able to grow. So let's go ahead and get started. Here is our objective for today. Students will be able to observe parts of a plant life cycle. For today's experiment, here are the materials that we're going to need. We are going to need some lima beans, plastic Ziploc bags, paper towels, and water. For this lima bean experiment, you guys at home are not required to perform it. You are more than welcome to try it with regular pinto beans if you have some available and have the things at home. But I have uploaded the video here for you guys, that way you're able to see it. Day by day, I am going to submit pictures on Teams to see if our lima bean is growing. So go ahead and press pause here on your video and click the other link that you see on your Teams assignment. Welcome back everyone. I hope you guys enjoyed that video and got to see our lima bean experiment. Like I said before, it's not required for you guys at home to do it. And for today's lesson, there is no exit ticket. Simply just watch the video and I will submit pictures to see how our lima bean is doing. I hope you guys enjoyed today's lesson and we will see everyone next time. Goodbye.